Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner beauty. What you have cannot be bought off the racks, not at stores, Nordstrom's, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. No, what you have is organically grown from love, abundance, grace. Gratitude is an attitude, joy. There's nothing that can cover up your energy. Your energy is going to be the first thing that introduces you before you state your name, open your mouth, or even give a handshake or a head nod. So what you guys doing, I want you to look in the mirror today and say, wow, you are so beautiful. Look in the eyes, the gateway of your soul, your eyes, and actually give yourself credit for the growth that you've given and you have actually evolved to, because you come so far. I open my eyes of my heart and direct my gaze to the light within every being. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man. We can buy that. But beauty and goodness, that's in the image of God. And that's something that cannot be denied. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.